Welcome to another episode of Tea Time with Sunita. As the spring is right around the corner, I wanted to share some ideas that could help you boost your curb appeal as well as your landscaping. In case if you're not happy with the way your design looks, there are several programs out there that could help you get started in redesigning. One of the suggestions that I would make is that when you're picking out plants, to mix perennials with annuals, because every year when you are choosing plants, you can change the colors and make it look prettier. Keep in mind when you're choosing plants, the height and size, as well as plants that attract bees and butterflies, because that will help your garden look not only beautiful, but also is environmentally friendly. Another thing that I would think about is that if you have crepe myrtles in your yard, this is the best time to prune them, because crepe myrtles bloom a little later in the season, but they bloom on new shoots. All this creates a beautiful curb appeal, especially if you're thinking about selling your house, because a beautiful outside invites people inside. In case if you need any help in choosing plants or online programs, DM me and I'll be happy to help you out. And for now, that's the tea.